Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Freshdesk automation workflows easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Freshdesk automation workflows, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin panel located on the left sidebar of your dashboard. In the admin section, look for the automations option and click on it. You will see three tabs: ticket creation, ticket updates, and time triggers. Choose the tab that best suits the automation you want to create. For ticket creation automations, click on the corresponding tab. Here, you can set conditions that trigger the automation when a new ticket is created. Use the Add Condition button to specify your criteria based on ticket properties. Once the conditions are set, select the actions you would like to execute when those conditions are met. You can choose from options like assigning tickets, sending notifications, or adding tags. After defining your automation, give it a descriptive name for easy identification. Next, toggle the status from inactive to active to enable it. To save your changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. To create automation for ticket updates, switch to the Ticket Updates tab. Repeat the same process, set your desired conditions and select the actions. For time triggers, select the Time Triggers tab to automate actions based on time intervals. Set the conditions based on when you want the action to occur and choose the corresponding action. Once everything is set, remember to activate and save each automation. Review your automations periodically to ensure they are functioning as intended. This will help you streamline your customer support processes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.